Welcome to Blue Eye Media Tech Zone. Today we are talking about how to set up a headless Raspberry Pi. Headless Raspberry uses no monitor or a keyboard, but we can access the resources through network. Let's start with the step-by-step setup. Before we start, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe. Let's start with the first step. Download and install the Raspberry Pi OS 32-bit. Open your browser and go to raspberrypi.org website. Then go to Raspberry Pi OS page and scroll down till you see Raspberry Pi OS 32-bit Lite. Click on the download button. Once the download is completed, insert the SD card to the computer. Open Etcher. If you have not installed Etcher, I have given the link to download in the description box. Click on Flash from File button and navigate to the downloaded image, and select it. Then click the Flash button to flash the image to SD card. Raspberry Pi OS Lite has been returned to SD card. Open the File Explorer and navigate to SD card. Then open it, and save a blank file naming SSH. Now open Notepad. Then add the lines as shown in the picture. Change the highlighted portion with your country code, Wi-Fi name, and password. Then save it in the boot drive as wpa_supplicant.conf. Now remove the SD card from the computer and insert it in the Raspberry Pi. Then connect the Raspberry Pi to power. Open Angry IP Scanner and find the IP address for Raspberry Pi. If you have not installed the Angry IP Scanner, you can download it from the link given in the description. Now you can see the IP address in Angry IP Scanner. Download and install Putty if you don't already have it. Now the headless Raspberry Pi is ready for login using Putty. Let's try login to Raspberry Pi and change the password. Type in the IP address you got from Angry IP Scanner and click Open button. It will ask for your user ID and password. Default user ID is Pi and password is Raspberry. Once you log in successfully, change the password using command sudo raspi-config. Select option 1 and hit enter. Hit enter and type in your new password. Retype the password to confirm. Now the password has been changed successfully. Hit enter again and use tab key in your keyboard and select finish. Hit enter to exit. Now the Raspberry Pi is ready for the headless operation. Thanks for watching. We need some additional software like VNC for desktop, FTP for file transfer, and the programming languages Python and Java. We will install it in another video. If you like this video, Please subscribe.